Are you tired of slaving away over a hot stove while your dreams of culinary greatness simmer away? Enter the slow cooker, your kitchen's magical sidekick that practically cooks for you while you binge-watch your favorite shows or pretend to be a respectable adult. It's like having a personal chef, just without the awkward small talk. In this video, we will take a look at some of the best slow cookers on the market that will transform your mealtime game from meh to marvelous. So grab your apron, and let's unravel the secrets of effortless, mouth-watering meals. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in! Number 5. GreenLife Cook Duo, our pick for best budget slow cooker. Meet the GreenLife Slow Cooker, your new kitchen companion that's as traditional as Grandma's secret recipes, but way less complicated. With a no-nonsense design, this slow cooker keeps things simple, offering just 3 temperature settings and a basic timer on an LCD screen. But don't let the minimalism fool you. It delivers mouth-watering results like pulling apart beef in a pot roast after just 6 hours on low, or whipping up a batch of dal in a mere 40 minutes on high. What really sets this slow cooker apart is its unique ceramic pot. Forget the harmful chemicals, this baby is PFOA and PFAS free, and it holds heat like a champion. You can even use it on the stovetop or pop it in the oven for versatile cooking. Talk about a multitasker. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. It's got a bit of bulk, so it's not winning any most compact awards for cabinet space. Also, that lid? It's a bit of a loose cannon. You'll want to secure it tightly for transport and make sure it seals well during marathon cooking sessions. Trust us, you don't want to wake up to a scorched stew. With a 6-quart capacity, a lightweight design, and dishwasher-safe convenience, the GreenLife is your no-fuss partner for a delicious, slow-cooked love affair. Dive in! Number 4. Crock-Pot 3-quart round manual, our pick for best small slow cooker. If you're on the hunt for the perfect small slow cooker, let me introduce you to the Crock-Pot's 3-quart round manual slow cooker, your new best friend in the kitchen. Imagine tailgating with your friends and effortlessly serving up warm, cheesy queso or whipping up a cozy beef stew for 2. With this compact gem, you can impress without the stress. Plus, when it comes to cleanup, you can breathe easy because that insert is dishwasher safe. You'll be in and out of the kitchen faster than you can say yum. Now, if you're feeling a bit adventurous and fancy a larger companion that does more than just slow cook, the Crock-Pot 6-quart programmable slow cooker with sous vide is here to spoil you. Let's talk roast beef. Ever tried it sous vide style? It's the culinary equivalent of a warm hug, perfectly tender and incredibly satisfying. This baby snagged a Kitchen Gear award, and trust me, it didn't do that on luck alone. Home testers raved about it like it was the celebrity of their kitchens. With a capacity of 3 quarts, settings to keep you in control, and lightweight transport handles, this slow cooker is the ultimate multitasker. So why not ditch the takeout and give your taste buds a treat? You'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. Still searching for the perfect slow cooker? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it! Number 3. Instant Pot Duo, our pick for best versatile slow cooker. Meet your new kitchen sidekick, the Instant Pot Duo, a 6-quart 7-in-1 wonder that's about to revolutionize your cooking game. This stainless steel beauty isn't just a pretty face. It's packed with features that will make you feel like a culinary genius. Think of it as your trusty sous chef that can whip up everything from pressure-cooked stews to homemade yogurt. Yes, yogurt! You'll fall head over heels for the easy-to-remove insulated lid and the improved steam vents that don't spray you like an overzealous garden hose. Imagine your veggies cooked to perfection. Carrots retain their crunch, zucchini practically melts in your mouth, and potatoes are soft without turning into mush. One tester didn't hold back, saying crushed it. And trust us, they weren't talking about their dinner plans. Now we get it. The 6-quart size might feel like a snug fit compared to those spacious rectangular models. Just a heads up, if you pile in the ingredients, give them a little extra love when stirring. And while the Duo's features might seem like a daunting spell from a cooking wizard, fear not. The well-laid-out manual and a treasure trove of online recipes will have you mastering Instant Pot magic in no time. Sure, it's a bit pricier than a slow cooker, but when you consider the versatility, it's the ultimate value. Say goodbye to basic pot roasts and chili, and hello to a culinary adventure right in your kitchen. Number 2. Crock-Pot Programmable. Our pick for best large-capacity slow cooker. When it comes to slow cooking, Crock-Pot is the name on everyone's lips, and we've assembled a powerhouse lineup of 8 models to test. But let's talk about the heavyweight champion of the bunch, this extra-large 8-quart beauty that's practically begging to host your next chili cook-off or Super Bowl party. Seriously, it can hold enough queso and beer cheese dip to turn you into the MVP of snack times. Now, this isn't just any average Joe in the slow cooker game. It's a budget-friendly giant that keeps a steady temperature, whether you're whipping up a spicy pork tinga in 5 hours or a cozy chili in 9. Sure, it sticks to the basics with a keep warm function and a timer that goes up to 20 hours, but sometimes simplicity is key, right? Just keep in mind that for any heroic searing or sautéing adventures, you'll need a separate pan. Let's talk about that hefty ceramic pot. It locks in the heat like a warm hug, but beware. Drop it and you'll have a kitchen tragedy on your hands. The good news? Both the pot and lid are dishwasher safe. Just don't expect it to fit in that tiny space with the dinner plates. We managed to hand clean it like champions in the farmhouse sink with minimal scrubbing. So grab this behemoth and let's get cooking. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Set and Forget. Our pick for best slow cooker overall. When Hamilton Beach named this slow cooker the Set and Forget, they really meant it. Because who has the time to babysit dinner? Just stick the included thermometer probe into your roast, set it, and kick back. Once that perfect doneness is reached, it switches to keep warm mode. You can even submerge the probe in liquid to nail that ideal simmering temperature down to the degree. Yes, you can even ferment yogurt or dive into sous vide territory, but if that sounds like too much blinking and beeping, you can still keep it old school with a simple low, medium, or high setting and a trusty timer. With a generous 6-quart capacity, this slow cooker is your trusty sidekick for family feasts. We squeezed a hefty 7-pound pork roast in there, no problem! Plus, the gasketed lid creates a snug seal, keeping all that flavorful goodness confined and preventing dreaded evaporation during those long, lazy cooks. And when you're ready to show off your culinary triumph at a potluck, integrated lid latches make it perfectly portable. Who knew you could transport honey-glazed ham without a spill? Clean up? A snap. The dense ceramic pot and lid go right in the dishwasher, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring. Priced on the lower side for all its features, this slow cooker is a fantastic value. Happy cooking! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best slow cookers. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which slow cooker you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.